Hi, Chata.
Good evening.
Wonderful. Are you ready for your question?
Yes, Church.
Take your time. Take a deep breath. We just want to know your level of articulation and how you think. That's all. Don't think too much of it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Your question reads, what do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Botswana diamond, to me, they're not just stones. They are they tell stories made out of pressure. When you buy Botswana diamond, you don't just buy beauty. You are going to buy hospital, roads, and you are creating jobs for our mothers and fathers in our country. Botswana's diamonds are ethical, rare, and they were made with boto. That is why they are considered to be the best in our country. Thank you.